Roll out the pastry and keep it as square as possible so it fits the baking tray. And then what you do, you roll it onto the rolling pin and spread it out. Put down a baking sheet, and if you haven't got baking beans, I just use a little bit of pasta and spread the pasta on to weight it down. There we go. Once it's baked, right, let it cool a little bit and then spread with jam as the base. So use strawberry jam for Manchester Tart more than anything. Spread it all over. Easiest way is just use a spoon, scoop it on and then spread it with the back of the spoon. Easy done. There you go, loads of it on. Spread it over. Okay, so we want 4 tablespoons of custard powder, put it in a pan, followed by 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. There we go. Sugar. 2 pints of milk. All right, just pour a little bit of milk in first of all and make a paste. And then add the rest of the milk. There we go. Now slowly bring it to the boil. All right, it gets thicker and then pour onto the baking tray. Once it's cool, just add the topping. It's as simple as that to make a Manchester Tart. All right, so we're using chocolate curls as a topping. There we go. And let it cool, then put it in the fridge. Done.